let's talk about the differences between other solutions and Rep AI. The first difference is the behavioral AI. If I sit here for long enough, the chat is going to figure out, hey, this person is not engaged with the site and it's going to approach me. Now, the reason why that's significant is because on mobile, when people are actually shopping, when most people shop through their mobile devices, the chat takes up the entire screen. So you don't want it to approach when it's too early because people are scrolling and they're looking, and you don't want to be, invasive or, obtrusive to their whole experience. But you also don't want to wait too late. You don't want to approach them too late when they're frustrated, they can't find what they're looking for, or whatever the case, and they bounce. And that's the last thing you want. So the behavioral AI is the first thing, and it's going to approach with the right timing. It's using over 500 data points, and it's checking all these data points every 5 seconds to say, is this person closer to leaving, or is this person actually shopping with intent, right? And it's trying to figure that out. And if I sit here long enough and you see it popped up, it says, Happy Monday, what brings you in today? So that's the first thing, the behavioral AI. Now, when I'm engaging with it, I can actually have a conversation with it. So Happy Monday, what brings you in today? And normally if I type in Mondays are great for shopping. In the past, if you punch this into any old chatbot, it's just going to say, I don't understand what you're talking about. But now with generative AI, it can actually engage in a conversation. So if I say, hey, Mondays are great for shopping, it's going to say, absolutely. Shopping on Mondays can be a great way to kickstart the week. How can I assist you today? Right? And it's just more dynamic of a response. Now, with generative AI, it's not just, hey, the conversational shopping and the guided shopping experience. It's also customer support. Hey, this person needs some order management, and the rep can guide that person to, determine, hey, your order's on the way, or it might be delayed, or whatever the case. Okay. Now compare that with another solution, ada.cx. Ada revolutionized the customer experience with AI, right? And I punch open the chat and we'll see what it's going to say. According to Forrester, companies using Ada see a 408% ROI and payback in 6 months. Okay. And I say, tell me more. It's a very contextual conversation. It says, good question. Sorry, I can't seem to find the right answer for you. You see what I mean? It's not as dynamic. It's not as responsive. It's not as contextual as it claims to be. And so this is the difference. And it's, we've integrated GPT-4 with our solution. And, there's a lot of tweaking that goes on. It's not just deploying it. It's not just integrating it. It's how you use it, right? And how you deploy it. There's a lot of things that go on behind the scenes to make sure that when you say Mondays are a great day for shopping, that it responds and it takes in the context of what you're saying, rather than, hey, tell me more about your Forrester report. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know what you're talking about. Wait, didn't you just talk about that? Anyway, the difference is two AIs are really better than one.